Let us again put fun and joke one side this evening and look at what is happening with the Jamaica Scorpions and Jamaican cricket in general. We got knocked out at the first round of the regional Super 50 tournament for the third time in the last 5 seasons. Jamaica has not won a senior cricket title since 2012. What the devil is happening with Jamaica's cricket? And how can long-standing JCA president, Mr. Wilford Billy Haven, say with a straight face he deserves to remain as the JCA president? How Mr. Haven explained the drought and the disasters that have befallen Jamaican cricket under his watch? And outside of the disastrous results, what are the programs and the systems that Billy Haven is putting in place to develop and advance Jamaica's cricket? I mean, we are still the biggest and the baddest and the loudest nation in the region. We're not supposed to be coming dead last after dead last after dead last. So, on the charge of non-performance, the court of public opinion in Jamaica finds Mr. Wilford Billy Haven guilty as charged. I'm not saying he must go to hell, but you must go, Mr. Haven. Court dismissed.